Hi, my name is Joanne and I'm a youth worker from YMCA of Singapore. I'm here to bring some news for training for chef in training, baking. Yeah. So I think they're about 16 and above, 16, 17, the kind. Yeah. Most of them come to me saying that they have interest in baking lah, and some of them have aspiration of opening up their own bakery in the future, and some of them are in the midst of doing home-based business, so they actually want to learn some actual skills about baking lah, the more professional kind. You see, the chefs were fierce at first, but they know that they want the best for them lah. Yeah, so the youths were very grateful for the training, even though it was strict, but they understood that this is the reality about kitchen lah. So it gives them a little bit of sense of what it's like to work in the F&B sector if they were to eventually work in the kitchen.